I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by stabilizing the console. Hold the switch upright and support it from the bottom so the rails line up. Press and hold the small rectangular release button on the back of the Joy-Con rail. This unlocks the latching mechanism, so you avoid bending the rail. While holding the button, slide the controller straight upward, not outward, to follow the rail track. You'll feel the latch release. Keep steady pressure and remove the controller in a smooth, controlled motion. Once done with the first side, repeat the same sequence for the opposite Joy-Con. Press the release button and slide upward along the rail. Make sure you inspect each rail as you go. Dust or stickiness often causes resistance. If the controller was in a grip accessory, press the release button and pull out along the accessories channel because grips can add friction. Use a dry microfiber cloth to remove debris from the rails. This prevents future sticking and keeps. Now finish by placing the removed controllers into a safe, dry spot where nothing presses the buttons. To reconnect later, align the rail grooves and slide each Joy-Con down until you hear a decisive click. That click confirms the latch engaged. If a controller gets stuck, power off the console first, then firmly press and hold the release button while sliding. Do not pry with metal tools. If it still won't budge, try cleaning the rail and try again to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.